Assalamu alaikum my all viewers, I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe I am going to make is beef steak burger in an easy way or in my style. So let's make it. First of all, take a bowl and then put a piece of a beef in it like a steak. Then sprinkle some salt and a pepper and then apply it well with the help of hands. And then give it to a good massage with salt and a pepper. And then leave it to marinate for about up to 3 hours and then set aside. On the other side, take a bowl and put onion rings in it and then add dry coriander leaves powder in it. You can also use dry mint leaves powder as well. And then add salt, black pepper powder and a few drops of vinegar and then mix it well and then keep aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now on the other side, take a tawa or a flat pan. You can also use a frying pan as well and then heat it well and pour oil on it and spread it well. Then put the marinated beef piece and keep cooking it well and also make a deep cut with the help of knife, so that the meat is cooked well from inside and do not remain raw anywhere. Cook the meat for about 10 minutes from one side and when it becomes golden, then flip it over and cook it on the other side as well. Now flip the other side and cook the meat well so that no part of the meat is raw and then prick it with the help of fork and tongs so that it is cooked well from inside. Cook like this for about 10 minutes and after that cut it into the thin slices with the help of a sharp knife and spread it on a pan like this so that it cooks like this. If necessary, add a little water on it and keep cooking it well. Keep flipping it, keep watching it every inch and keep flipping it and keep cooking it as soon as the meat is slightly tender and soft and enough to eat, take it out on a plate and keep it aside to cool down. On the other hand, now add oil to the same pan and after heating it well, add chopped bell peppers or a capsicum and sprinkle some salt and a black pepper and fry well and stir well so that all the seasonings are well mixed. So that the bell peppers or a capsicum is well cooked. The chili should not be too soft and not too crunchy and then take it out on a plate and then keep it aside. On the other side, now in another bowl, add mayonnaise and then add mustard paste and mix well and mix until everything is well combined and then keep it aside. Your barbecue sauce is ready. Now add butter in another pan and heat it well and after heating, put the Arabic bread samuli or hot dog bun cut from the center and then heat it both the pieces well and then keep toasting and flipping. As soon as both the pieces are browned well, then take it out on a plate and keep it aside. Now assemble them. Now first place the lower part of the bun on the plate and then put a salad leaf on it and put the prepared beef pieces on it and also put the fried capsicum or a bell pepper on top and put round cut tomatoes on it and then also add marinated onions on it and then put the barbecue sauce on it and then put the second piece of bread on top and then place it on a serving platter. So serve and enjoy with prepared salad or a french fries. You can also make salad of your choice as well. I see that guys you are watching my video but neither liking or not subscribing to my channel. So I request you to subscribe to my channel. So please like and comment my video so that I can keep making good videos for you. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.